Hey, it's Dave Zarilla from MarineMax of Norwalk. If you happen to be watching this video, it's probably because you have something that came across your screen that says low gear lube. And today I'm going to get down into a bilge of a boat and show you how to add some gear lube oil to that engine of yours. If you have any questions or you need additional help, by all means reach out to customer care at MarineMax.com and we'll be happy to help you. So here we are on the brand new 32 Sea Ray Sundancer. This particular boat has the 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower Merc Cruisers. What I'm about to demonstrate today is the gear lube oil. This will pertain to any stern drive model in this class. So let it be the 300 horsepower or the 350s, it will all be the same. So now and then when you take delivery of a new boat, there's something called your stern drive. Actually will have some air pockets in it with the gear lube oil. The gear lube has to find itself as air purges out of the lines. The oil will start to settle in, and on occasion you may have a low gear lube alarm that will happen on your dashboard. If that happens, we will provide you the proper gear lube in your owner's packet, and here I'm going to show you basically how to put it into your oil fill reservoir. So you open up your engine hatch, and both engines are identical, and the location of these gear reservoir containers are exactly in both spots on both engines. It is on, looking down at the engine, they're on the left-hand side of the engine. It's this little cap right here. This little cap needs to be full, and we'll illustrate the full line in a still photo, but you need to put enough oil in there until it reaches its full mark. There is a translucent container here so you can actually see the oil level become full. This is on the port side engine, and then this is on the starboard side engine. And that's where you would add your high performance outdrive gear lube oil. Again, it's natural that you'll be adding oil to those lower units. It happens probably once or twice a season. It is absolutely normal.